Look at that.
Right there.
I got.
See the swirl?
Yeah. There's a.
Yep.
Are we in the northeast? Dad?
It won't come towards us. Is it just fading now? Yeah, it's breaking up. It look. No, it's not. Never mind.
Dad?
Alright.
Is it gonna come towards us?
Which way does it look like it's moving?
It's moving not towards us. That's where it's moving.
Okay, I'm starting to out water.
That's not all that. Oh, there's a fire.
Yep.
It's a fire over there. Somewhere over there.
Oh. We're not gonna die.
Kind of the scariest summer ever. It also looks like that tornado's coming out of the fire.
No, it's pulling the smoke from the fire.
What would you call that? Like an F2?
Maybe a 1 or a 2, yeah. Yep.
Yeah. That's the tornado. Ain't it pretty? It's kind of dying. Whoa!
Whoa!
I caught that!
Oh my gosh! That was scary!
And she's still yelling at it.
Caught that one. Oh, the tornado's kind of dissipating now.
Hey, look, more fire! See? See, Audrey?
That's cloud.
That's cloud.
Oh my god!
I caught that one too!
Oh my god!
I don't know. I'm gonna keep videotaping the tornado. That was a big one.
Oh my gosh!
It's dying down.
No.
Did you see that flash?
Boom! I didn't see that one. I didn't catch that one.
Well, that's going to make it hard for people to get up.
Yeah.
This is when gas is, when it gas goes. This is when Mom always liked gas, because if you had gas, it was
I'm glad that the tornado is dying down.
I caught that one.
What one?
Die, tornado, die!
Thanks, bud.
Well, you can even see where it's coming from. Ain't that pretty? See it dying?
Oh, that's about a what F1 now.
Yeah.
What's that one?
Just causing wind. Oh, I missed it!
Oh my god!
I win. About what you have in Palmdale.
Yeah.
We
Dying.
actually get lots of tornadoes in Palmdale.
There's still that fire though.
They're not called tornadoes.
Oh, I caught that! It's dying. Oh! Crud, I think I missed it.
My ears plugged.
It died. Well, that was our tornado. It's gone now. But the big thunder is still there. Oh, I caught that.
Caught what?